everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun twist to an original video that has been going around. I don't even know if anybody has done this before, but as you guys can see from the title, today we are doing subscriber palette bingo. I enjoyed so much the video that I did with Drea where she picked my makeup, the 4 colors, and I picked her 4 colors. I'll link that video up here if you haven't seen it. But in that video, we both chose colors for each other to create a look. So I took it a step further, and I have quite a few palettes and a lot of things that I want to do with you guys to interact with you guys more. So on my Instagram, in my Insta stories last night, I asked for one of you guys to, the first person that responded to a post that I put would be the person to choose the colors for me. I sent them a picture of the actual palette, and I have it here. I sent them a picture of the palette, and I had asked this individual, see, this is what I sent. Of course, come on, why? That's the picture I sent. So they had to choose 4 colors, no repeat numbers. I numbered all the colors in, and then as of right now, as I'm sitting here, I'm going to open up the Instagram chat that we had, and I will see what colors she chose for me. I will put her username here on from her Instagram. I asked her if it was okay if I could give her credit for picking the colors for me, so you'll see it up on the screen. So I do thank you very much for participating. This is not going to be the only time I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this a lot more often with a lot more palettes that I do have, so that way you guys can see what we come up with and you guys can kind of choose the colors you want to see on me. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so, because I do post a lot of my Insta stories of my everyday life, but also things like this. So I will post it the evening before I film, so that way it'll be right before I film and I won't have the opportunity to cheat and look at the actual picture. So I'm going to open up her response, and I'm going to screenshot it just so I could have it, because I'm going to forget. So she chose, let me see, oh my goodness, she was being nice, I think. So this is what I got. All right, can you guys see? If my phone would stop doing that. All right, sorry guys. Can you tell I am technologically inclined? So it's 6, 11, 5, and 9. Can you see it there? 6, 11, 5, and 9. So the colors she chose for me were Escape, Magical, and Hype and Savage, which is pretty good because I was crossing my fingers I got the orange and the purple. I was really hoping I'd get these 2. And then we have Escape, and then we have Magical, which I am turning in my head right now to what to do. Okay, I got an idea. So here we go, you guys. I'm going to start out with Hippie, which is this color right here that she chose for me. I'm going to grab a small mirror because I find it easier if I use a small mirror, since I am no longer in my usual space. Let me zoom you in so you guys can see a little bit closer what I'm doing. So I'm going to grab Hippie, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm going to pack that on and then blend it out. I'm so excited for this. This is so much, it's like Christmas again, because I get surprised with you guys. This is fun. So I'm going to try to do this more often with you guys, so you guys can kind of pick and choose what colors out of a palette. Since I have so many palettes, I'll even do like Z palettes with single shadows. I'll send you guys a snapshot of that, and then you guys can pick and choose what 4 colors I can use out of that. That should be fun too. This is very pigmented. It is powdery, but holy moly, that's pigmented. Wow. This is pretty though. Most, I would have originally picked, I'm just going to grab this blending brush. I would have originally picked the gold all over the lid, but I'm not doing that. We're going to make this bright. And I did do the rest of my face. I meant to tell you guys, I did do the rest of my face because since doing my face is so boring, to me at least. I'm like over and over. Every time somebody does a tutorial, that's the part that I just fast forward to, and I just like to see what highlighter and blush they use, but that's why I don't record that as often anymore, because I just want to see the eyes done. Okay, so we have that. Now I am going to add a little bit of, let me just put this one down. I'm going to grab a little bit of Escape, which is right here, and just concentrate this on the outer part, more into the crease area with a smaller brush. And this is more like a browny red. So we're going to pack this on the outer part and kind of keep it in the crease area, not above the orange. I want the orange to stick out in this look. This type of video also gets me to be more creative, which I love to do, because looking at this palette, I'm like, I want to do this, I want to do that. Like I wash my face 20 times to do all the looks. So if you guys want me to do another look with this palette, I will cross off the letter or the numbers that she already chose, and someone else can choose another 4 colors. If you want to see this palette used again, you guys let me know that, because I can also do that as well. Right, so now for the star of the show, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to use Swag, which is this purple all over my lid. So let's see how pigmented this purple is. Let's see. Okay. She came to play. I did do powder on my cheeks, so I knew I was going to have fallout. So I did pack on some powder because I do see some fallout right there. And this is all matte. All these are matte so far. Very impressed. Now, using the same side that I had the brown, I'm just going to blend the brown and the purple. Let me just wipe off that fallout because it's driving me insane. All right. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Pack this on. Oh, such a pretty look. Today I have to, where am I going today? My tire broke on my car. Like the little valve that you put air in. So I have to go to the mechanic to get it fixed. So he's gonna look at me like, what? Last time I went to him, I had glittery eyes, some big false lashes. Oh, I brought that in too much. Some big false lashes, and I was sweating. He's used to seeing me in color. Blend that in. Oh, that looks so pretty. I kind of brought it in there, but I'm gonna fix that with a different color. Let me just wipe off any. I shall fix that in a second. But yeah, I think we got it down packed, you guys. We tried a little bit more on this side right here. And remember, not every look has to be perfect, you guys. I don't post my looks on Instagram where it needs to be perfectly blended out. Just gonna blend out anything here. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so, oh, I ran out of my spray. I did, didn't I? Let's see if there's any left. Any, something, please. Let me see if I can get another spray. I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed another spray. This one's brand new because I haven't used it yet. So I wet my brush, obviously. And then the other color she picked was Magical, which is this golden right here. And I'm going to use that in the inner corner nice and wet, so then it'll be nice and glowy. I'll put that right here. And that little bit of purple that I had here accidental, I'm going to cover that up with the gold. We're going to bring that a little lower. See? It all worked out in the end, you guys. It all worked out. I dig it. All right, so the next move that I'm going to do, where is my brush? I'm going to wipe off all this extra powder that I have down here because we're going to do the lower lash line. We are going to start off with, I'm going to do the purple close to the lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with the orange and the brown. So we'll start out with the purple and put it close to the lower lash line. Here. And I'm still using the same brushes I used earlier. Now I'm going to blend it out. Let me see. Put that a little bit. I'm going to blend it out with orange first, this one, which is Hippie, and then Escape, which is right there. So we're just going to pack these two together. Bring that up. Let's see. Purple. Do I have the purple? Yes. For the waterline, I'm going to use this one by Milani. This is the Royal Purple liner. This is just because these last a lot longer on my waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to do my mascara. I'm just going to do a black line right there just so it can cover my lashes. And then I'm going to do lashes. I'm not even going to do wing liner today because I really want this to actually show the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to finish the blush, the highlight, and the lips. Okay, so we have our lashes on. So this is what the eyes look like. Now for the cheeks, I'm going to take my NARS Frenzy, which is a blush and highlighter. We're going to use this. Now I'm going to use very, very light hand on this orangey coral blush. I'm just going to go like this. And that should be plenty. I'm going to stipple it on my cheeks. Now the reason why I know a lot of you had asked me how do I choose blushes with my eye colors. It's because I have a little bit of orange there, but I don't want it to compete with orange, so I'm going to do this lightly. And this type of formula, you can build it up and it's not overbearing. As you guys can see, it doesn't look like it's too much. Other blushes that I have will be way too pigmented for this and it'll get out of hand quickly. So we're just gonna put a little bit of this on here. Yeah, perfect. See? Worked out perfect. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use that highlighter here on this side right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the face. It's a lot easier to pick your blush when your eyes are done, and that's what I have figured out because I grab whatever's in the eyes and kind of put it all together. If it's a cool tone, I grab a cool tone blush. If it's a warm tone, I try to warm tone blush. Neutral blushes always work with anything, and I have quite a few of those. If you want me to share those safe blushes for bright looks, I could do something like that for you guys. Now for lips, I think I'm going to go with this one. This is Campfire by Dose of Colors, one of their new colors. I'm going to put it on and see how it looks. I don't know yet if it's going to be okay or not, but we're going to give it a shot. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much, and especially to my lovely follower here on Instagram. I hope you also follow me here on YouTube so you could see the final creation of the colors you chose. I love it. I genuinely love it. I love the colors. You know me so well, and you picked beautiful colors. So I'm going to do this again. Whether you guys want me to use the same palette or a different one, let me know in the comment section, because that's the way I'm going to do it. It'll be sporadically. I do have 3 videos that will be coming up, or if not already up, some of them of tutorials that were requested with specific products. So I do want to do those first, and then we're going to go on with our subscriber palette bingo. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.